meteorologist Joel Young.
Welcome back. The time is now 5:50, and thank you so much for watching WTVA 9 News today. We're taking a live look now in Tupelo, looking at the Barnes Crossing District of Tupelo and the Interstate 22 and Highway 45 interchange. Traffic moving smoothly this morning. For your morning commute, looking pretty good. Current conditions, clear skies, 64 degrees. Pretty mild, all thanks to the humidity that's lingering across the area. Dew points this morning across the region, mostly upper 50s to lower 60s, keeping us from cooling off much overnight. It's going to make for a humid afternoon. Those winds light out of the south, so we're likely going to see that humidity stick around through the day today. And with the sunshine, once the sun comes up, we're going to see those temperatures climb rather quickly. By mid-morning, 72 degrees, and then as we go into the midday hours, looking like we'll be pushing the low 80s, so a couple degrees warmer than it was yesterday, and we're not going to stop there. We're going to continue warming into the afternoon. Clear skies on Storm Track Doppler 9. Nothing much to mention there. Just a few high thin clouds on satellite, and temperatures sitting mostly in the mid to low 60s all across the region. Pretty much uniform from Corinth all the way down to Louisville. Our coolest temperature, Starkville at 59 degrees. But the warm air continues to spread northward across the lower 48. You can see even St. Louis right now sitting at about 73 degrees. But obviously there are some cooler temperatures up to the north behind a cold front associated with a couple of different storm systems that we're going to be watching. This first one, this low pressure over Iowa, that is bringing some severe storms for today up into the Great Lakes. If you're traveling northward into the Ohio Valley, and more specifically farther north into Indiana and Michigan, might run into some storms there. But back here toward the west, this is the area of low pressure we're going to be watching over the next couple of days that might affect us. The energy with that is still back into the Pacific Ocean, but as it moves eastward, it's going to kick that low out into the plains, and we're going to have some strong storms for your Friday. Not necessarily as much here at home, but back to our west. Level 2 on the scale of 1 to 5 back into Arkansas and Oklahoma, but level 1 on that 1 to 5 scale for the northern half of our area on your Fridays. So rain chances really increase for your Friday. And as we fast forward into your Saturday, a lot of folks wanted to do some traveling perhaps, especially across the southern half of our area. That's where the primary threat of severe weather will be on Saturday. That's a level 2 on that scale from 1 to 5 and a level 1 for the rest of the area. So Saturday certainly going to be the most active day of the 7-day forecast, which we'll have a look at here in just a moment. Storm tracker, let's time this out. 9 a.m. looking like sunshine across the area, perhaps a few clouds here and there as well. 12 o'clock p.m. This is when we really start to warm up. Low 80s at that point. Great day to get out and enjoy lunch on the patio if you can. But as we go into the afternoon, you might see a couple little quick showers. You don't necessarily have to expect it. More than likely, most of that stays to our north. However, just can't rule out 1 or 2 of those popping up over our area. So don't be surprised to see a few quick heavy raindrops, and then pretty much out of here. We'll go into the overnight, though. Clouds will increase, temperatures only in the mid to low 60s again, and the rain chances increase into your Friday morning, especially over the northern tier of the area as the frontal boundary begins to push our way and provide a little more lift to get that warm, humid air to rise. And we're going to have more of that into your Saturday. Highs today, mostly mid to low 80s across the north, 86 in Tupelo, 84 in Ripley. Across the south, looking for highs more like mid to upper 80s, so certainly warmest temperatures south of the Golden Triangle, perhaps 88 degrees in spots. Much better rain chances Friday and Saturday, especially on Saturday, but Sunday will gradually clear out, and those temperatures, boy, it's going to be much cooler. 60 degrees on Sunday, back into the 70s and 80s early next week with sunshine. Katrina?